Finding the best caterer in Toronto is an art and a science that can elevate any event from weddings to corporate gatherings. Let's embark on this culinary journey together and explore what to prioritize when seeking the perfect caterer. Cuisine expertise: a great caterer should be a culinary maestro, skilled in various cuisines, ensuring your event's flavors align with your preferences, whether it's international fare or local specialties. Menu flexibility: seek a caterer willing to customize their menu to your needs and accommodate dietary restrictions, ensuring a tailored dining experience. Taste test: arrange a sampling session to savor the caterer's offerings firsthand, evaluating their quality, flavor, and presentation. References and reviews: rely on past clients' experiences through references and online reviews, as strong testimonials indicate reliability and satisfaction. Event expertise: consider a caterer's experience in handling events similar to yours, ensuring they can manage logistics, timings, and guest preferences effectively. Food safety: ensure strict adherence to food safety standards, permits, and certifications to guarantee a safe culinary experience. Budget alignment: clear budget discussions are essential. A reputable caterer will work within your financial constraints transparently. Professionalism: assess a caterer's responsiveness, punctuality, and professionalism, as clear communication and reliability are vital. Finding the best caterer in Toronto is an artful journey that can turn any event into a culinary masterpiece. By prioritizing expertise, menu flexibility, taste testing, references, event experience, food safety, budget transparency, professionalism, you'll set the stage for a memorable dining experience.